This 2019 Coachmen Catalina Trail Blazer 19th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in South Weber, Utah, 84405 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Coachman is 22 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4 and 44 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features front bedroom, rear living area. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.